What's up, everybody? Bill with Honest Open Permaculture Hop Farm, and as you can see, I'm in front of the no-till market garden that I grow most of my CSA out of, and some of the few markets that we do here and there. And I want to show you what it looks like right now in the fall, and what I'm doing to the garden areas right now in the fall, coming up into winter, to get them ready for spring. So I want you guys to come along with me. Let's go. I just wanted to say real quick, if you're new to the channel, thank you for clicking. My name is Bill. This is Honest Open Permaculture. We're a small homestead in North Carolina working to be as self-sufficient as we can, trying to make an income off the homestead and grow as much food as we can. So if it's something you may be interested in, make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know every time we put a video out. Let's move on to this garden bed area. So we're standing in front of 9 beds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right now they are in a Ruth Stout style. Let's walk through real quick and show you what they look like. They're about 30 inches wide. In this one, check out this one right here. We have some garlic popping up. It's the beginning of November, and I'm gonna plant one more row of garlic right in the middle of these 2 rows here on the outside. I just hadn't done it yet. I got these 2 in, I just need to do one more. So garlic has been started, so it's rooted nice. So that's good, nice and rooted. Now it's gonna make it through winter, pop up back on spring, and we'll harvest. So here we go. Now, these girls back here in this chicken tractor have been working this area that I just showed you. I've had this chicken tractor work in this area for almost 3 years now. So it is nice and fertile. This soil back here is really sandy. So it needed a lot of organic matter, it needed a lot of manure, and it needed some love back here. So that's what we've been doing. We've been adding a bunch of organic matter throughout the years. I had 6 inches of wood chips on this last year, all completely gone. The soil's eating it all up. This is how much it needed this organic matter. We still do have some residue of wood chips up here. There's some left, but most of it has been eaten up. So the beds are covered in hay in a Ruth Stout method. Next, we're gonna use the cardboard. We're gonna put it in the walking paths. And then on top of the cardboard, we're gonna put leaves. We've been doing a lot of raking lately of leaves and mowing of leaves. And we'll put that in the middle and it will become leaf compost in the middle. Help suppress some of the grass. Most of it's gone. Most of the grasses are gone, but we still do have some coming down this row here. And once we get up further up here, there's a good amount coming up here on this row, on this walking path. So the straw is, anywhere from 4 to 8 inches thick. I'll put my hand in it here. It's going up almost to my elbow there, right where my shirt is, almost right where my shirt starts. It's going pretty deep with mulch, so that's gonna kill off any of the weeds that are underneath that. That'll kill that off and slowly decompose. We don't plant a whole bunch of seeds in these beds here. These are mostly starts. So we'll take seed starts and plug them into these beds in spring. So let's take a walk over. Actually, we need to take the mower. We can go ahead and get us a load of leaves to go ahead and start finishing what we need to do. Let's get to work. Stop talking. Put you down. We're at one of the leaf piles. We're just gonna pick it up, throw it in the trailer. Go ahead and take out any big sticks. We're just looking for leaves. There is some grass clippings in here too. They're pin oak leaves, so really small, skinny leaves. As you can tell here, they break down really fast. It's almost like as they fall out of the tree, they're already shredded leaves. Let me show you real quick where I'm getting the hay that I'm using in the garden area. There's a big row of it right there. I cut it with the mower, I rake it into a row, and then I come back, rake it into a pile. So this field that we're sitting in right now is a hay field. There's another pile there. There's another pile there, there, down here. I got piles all out here. And this is also bedding for the pigs and bedding for the chickens. So there's multiple uses for this. I'm composting it, it's bedding, and it's mulch for the garden. Let's go back to the gardens. Okay, next step, we need to get some cardboard in that walking path, and we'll cover it with the leaves. Now, where did I get this cardboard? Well, some of y'all know I work part-time Papa John's, and I'm able to snag as much as I want from them on truck days. How can you get cardboard if you don't have an access like that? You can dumpster dive for it, or you can just straight up ask companies. Like you have any window companies or door companies or warehouses that have dumpsters out back that they put specific cardboard in. Like there's specific dumpsters that people have behind their businesses that they only put cardboard in. So you can go and collect from there. You can ask if you want to, or you can just straight up take it if you want, I guess. That's on you. Don't do it because if you get caught and arrested, don't say Hop Farm told me to. I got your back. If that happens, let me know. I'll send you a little bail money. I didn't bring a knife down with me. That would have been smarter. I'm trying to rip this to size. Christmas is coming up in a couple months. That's a good way to find a bunch of cardboard laying around. And then stash it. That's what I do. I got a cardboard stash. One thing you do want to watch out for when putting the cardboard down is any plastic, any tape. For instance, there's a little piece of tape there. We're going to take that off. You don't want to be adding plastic to your garden beds. Excuse me just a second. All right. So hopefully that right there will help with the weed suppression, the grass suppression. There in the walking path. Now we need to go get us some leaves and dump some leaves in there. I think we can get those leaves a little bit closer. Yeah. Now we just fill it in. Let me show you what I'm doing. Simple as that, you guys. Now, this is all I'm going to be doing for the next couple of hours. I don't know if I'll get all of it done. I'm not going to keep you along for hours as I do it all. Let me show you what it looks like here. And I will bring you back when I'm done for the day and show you what I got done. All right, guys, let me show you what I got done. I need to pack up here and get ready for work. So let's show you here. There's one row. We got another one done there, another one done there. We got 4.5 of them done. We have 3.5 more to do. This is what it looks like unfinished. And down here is what it looks like finished. And here's a half and half. Here's a good judge of half and half there. Look at that. So hopefully that cardboard doesn't blow away in the middle of the night. And we'll come out here tonight and finish. And I'll drop it in my next video on what it looks like completely done. Because we'll be working on some new cattle panel trellises for the tomatoes, peas, and cucumbers next year. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and bang that bell so you know every time we put a video out. Later, guys.